Well, this can be one of the most healthier dessert options if you carve for a healthier version, because this bowl is power packed with antioxidants from the beautiful fruits that I've added, probiotics from the curd, and very good fats from coconut, freshly grated coconut, and the tempering with curry leaves just makes it wow. Actually, not only me, this is one of the dishes that is served in the temples of Orissa. So do give it a try, you will be in love with the flavors. Hey guys, I am Subhankari and I welcome you all to my channel Su's Food Corner English, and I hope you all are doing great in your lives. If you are new to my page, do subscribe to my page and do not forget to tap the bell button. Thank you all for loving my channel so much and liking my videos. So let's begin this awesome recipe. So in a bowl I have taken here 2 cups of thick curd. If you have Greek yogurt also, that also holds good. Otherwise, if you have thin curd, you can strain it, leave out the excess water part and use the thick part. So basically we need a thick consistency curd. I will mix it nicely to give it a smooth texture. I have here some chopped fruits. I have taken cucumber, apple, banana, grapes and some pomegranate pearls. It depends upon the choice of your food, but basically these are the fruit that is used in recipe locally. So here goes some cucumber, banana, and here I have some grapes. You also add some black grapes and some pomegranate pearls. Apples also I have added here. So this goes here, and as this curd is thick curd, this will nicely wrap up with the fruits. And here I have added honey. You can also add some jaggery. I would not suggest to add sugar because honey and jaggery have their own distinctive flavors and qualities, but if you do not have options, you can also add some sugar. And then goes the goodness of good fats. That's half a cup of grated coconut, freshly grated coconut. Give it a mix. That's why for this recipe it's highly recommended that the curd should be thick. It's creamy and delicious. You can see the look. And now I'll add the tempering. I have heated 2 tablespoons of oil. To this I'll be adding rayi, mustard seeds, especially the small one, black mustard seeds, and 1 whole string of fresh curry leaves. Wait till it splutters, just move aside and switch off the flame after a few seconds. We don't want it to be burnt, just the oil should be infused with the flavors of curry leaves and the mustard seeds. 2 pinch of black salt I have added, and here goes the tempering. Now just give it a nice, genuine and beautiful mix so that all the flavors will mix, and add honey and salt according to your taste. This creates the perfect balance and beautiful texture for this recipe. Serve it once it's chilled, and you can add some fruits on top of it before serving. As I had already mentioned earlier, can a dessert be more healthy than this? Power packed with the antioxidants from fruits, goodness of probiotics, healthy fats, with the tempering of curry leaves. Do give this recipe a try. Will be in love with the flavors, and as I said, not also me, I guess gods also love this recipe. Now it's time for the comment of the day. Today's comment is from IMPN, some very unique IT. So the comment says, today I tried this recipe for the first time after watching your videos. The instructions were pinpoint that helped me a lot. The taste was really awesome. Thank you so very much. Thank you so much for this beautiful comment. He has actually commented on the recipe of a fish in mustard base. So thanks a lot. Thank you so much for your beautiful words. I hope this recipe really helped you. Stay safe and stay connected. I hope you have liked my efforts and loved the recipe. To give it a try, you can also follow Su's Food Corner English on Instagram and Facebook. If you have loved the video, do give it a thumbs up, share with your family and friends, and not forget to subscribe to my page. See you in next video. Till then, stay safe, love life and happy fooding.